I am Dr. Farhat Bokhari. I am a plastic surgeon certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. Today I will talk about liposuction. This is one of the most common surgical procedures performed worldwide. There are a lot of misunderstandings about liposuction, and I will cover them first. Many people think that liposuction can reduce their weight. They may be 25 kg, 30 kg above their normal weight, and they think liposuction will solve their problems. It is not so. Liposuction is a body contouring procedure and not a weight loss procedure. Please remember that. What it accomplishes, as the name says, body contouring. It contours the body, whether it be arms, hip areas, abdominal area or thighs. So selected areas, there we can perform liposuction, get the body in shape, and that's it. Now, when we talk about liposuction, people ask, well, how much can be done at one time? There are international standards and safe limits, which are from 5 liters to 7 liters in one session. Now, what does it mean? If the patient has 1 or 2 small areas and we are going to remove about 4 to 5 liters, maybe they can go home in the evening if they are stable. But if we are removing more than that, maybe 7 liters, slightly more than that, then they must stay in the hospital so they can be observed. Why? Because during the surgery, the body's fluid mechanism can shift, and if maybe they will need some fluids at night, so we need to observe them. How it is done? People ask this question all the time. It is not a tummy tuck or something similar to that. We only need to make very, very small cuts in the area of liposuction, usually about 2 to 3 small cuts which are no longer than 1 centimeter. And through these cuts, we use a small tube which goes in, which is connected to a suction machine and removes the fat out. That's essentially what liposuction is. Now, the other question is, how long will it take to recover? Again, if it's a small area or in the thigh or buttock area, usually only 2 to 3 days, and you are mobile again. You can go back to your day-to-day activities. Sometimes people advertise like a walk-in procedure. That it is not, most definitely, unless it is such a small area which is not considered even liposuction. At least you will need a few days of recovery. The other question people have, if the fat is removed, will it come back again? Well, that's a very good question. The answer is very simple. If you maintain your lifestyle the way it is, for example, if you do some activity, some exercise, and you are paying attention to your diet, then the fat will not come back. However, if you go on a crash diet and after that you get married, go on a honeymoon and eat like crazy, then of course it will come back. So it's very simple. Weight gain is purely mathematics. If you gain extra calories, they will convert into fat. However, after liposuction, if you maintain your diet and exercise, fat will not come back.